More scientific notation calculations. Now in the last video I said I would show you how to input this in the graphing or scientific calculator. Forgot to do that. I will do that this time. So when we're adding or subtracting, so what we're doing here, we have to make sure the digits line up, placeholders. So we can do that by ensuring that the exponents of these base 10s exponents are the same. So we can turn this to the -8 to -9, or we can turn this -9 to a -8. Let's go ahead and do that. So we'll increase the exponent by 1, so that means we have to decrease the coefficient. We can do that by moving the decimal to the left once. We'll rewrite that coefficient as like that and increase the exponent. So that should make sense. We just lowered the coefficient by a factor of 10. We increased the exponent by a factor of 10. So it's still the same value, still the same number. All right, so now we can go ahead and add now that our exponents are the same. Okay, so let's do that. 6.6 plus 0.5 is 7.1. We're not going to carry that 0 over because this number doesn't have that precision. Remember, your answer can't be more precise than the least precise measurement. So we're going to times 10 to the -8, and that's going to be your answer to A. So let me show you how to put this in your calculator, your scientific calculator. Where's my thing here? There it is. I forgot what the problem was. Hold on. Okay, here we go. 6.6, and where you see that times 10, it's going to be that second comma, or if you have a TI-89, you might just have a button without hitting second, and you don't want to raise this exponent. When you press that E, it already knows to do that. It's going to be to the -8, and we're going to add that to 5. You don't have to do the 0.0, but we'll do that. And then where you see the times 10, that's again second comma, and then just again, don't raise the exponent, just type in that exponent, -9. And then the good thing about this is if you know how to use that double E key on your graphing calculator, it treats it as one number rather than two parts with unnecessary operations. There's your answer, and wherever you see that E, you're going to replace with the times 10. You're going to have to manually replace that. And the other thing to note is the calculators won't round properly for you. This one happens to be rounded coincidentally, but you'll have to round to the correct number of sig figs. Let's get back to our problem. Let's go ahead and do B. In this case, the exponents are the same, so let's say it's easy peasy. 9.4 minus 2.1 is going to be 7.3. You don't need a calculator to do this one. And then just keep that right there. That's your answer because they both have the same level of precision.